Today our topic is array in C. Introduction of an array. Array is a kind of data structure that can store a fixed size sequential collection of elements of the same data type. An array is used to store a collection of data, but it is often more useful to think of an array as a collection of variables of the same type. For example, take a situation in which we have 20 students in a class and we are asked to write a program that reads and prints the marks of all these 20 students. In this program, we will need 20 integer variables with different names. But if we use array, then we have no need to use different variables. Declaration of an array. Declaring an array means specifying three things. Number 1. Data type. What kind of values it can store. For example, it may be integer, character, float, double, etc. Number 2. Name. To identify an array. And the third one is size. The maximum number of values that the array can hold. Array are declared using the following syntax: type, name, and after that, in the third bracket, size. Points to remember. C does not allow declaring an array whose number of elements is not known at the compile time. Therefore, the following array declarations are illegal in C. Number 2. Generally, it is a good practice to define the size of an array as a symbolic constant as shown in the following code. The size of an array can be specified using an expression. Therefore, the following array declarations are valid in C language. C array indices starts from 0. So, for an array with n elements, the index of the last element is n-1. Initialization of arrays. Elements of the array can also be initialized at the time of declaration, as in the case of every other variable. When an array is initialized, we need to provide a value for every element in the array. Arrays are initialized by writing array type, then array name, and after that size, equal to, in the curly braces, the list of the values. The values are written with curly brackets and every value is separated by a comma. Inputting values in the array. An array can be filled by inputting values from the keyboard. In this method, a while or do while or a for loop is executed to input the value for each element of the array. Now write a program to read and display in numbers using an array.